We are going to paint paper bunting with a beautiful background scene. This is a fun-filled watercolor painting that you will surely enjoy painting it. First, I stick masking tape on a waste watercolor paper. Then I cut triangles of varying size in decreasing order. This is because we are going to mask the paper bunting. So the bunting which is nearer to the viewer is large in size and which is away from the viewer is small in size. So we cut the triangles in decreasing size. After cutting some of the triangles, the paper looks like a sawtooth. You can cut those into triangles. Next, I'm peeling the triangle shaped masking tape and stick it over the watercolor paper. After sticking all the triangle shaped masking tape, next we are going to wet the paper. I am using cerulean blue to paint the sky and leaving some white spaces for the clouds. Using diluted paint spray, I paint the shadow part on the clouds. Next, we are going to paint a portion of the tree while the paper is still wet. I used sap green mixed with yellow to paint the base layer of the tree. And for the dark part of the tree, I mixed sap green with blue color. To add more depth to the tree, you have to add more shaded areas by mixing green sap green with little brown and blue. I'm also adding some twigs to the tree using brown color. After painting the tree, I left the paper to dry completely. Later, I removed all the masking tape and I'm going to paint the paper bunting. Use any color of your choice to paint the paper bunting. At last, paint the rope using Payne's Gray. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.